Hey guys, that's the 1-inch hole we needed to put the weld on -10 bung. Then you'll see where we're setting up the bung to get ready so Richard can weld it. And we did have our challenges because even though I cleaned the crap out of it, it just absolutely kept bringing impurities up out of that cast aluminum. .4.8, all buttoned up. The short block is completely assembled. I just threw a coat of Rust-Oleum gloss black on the block. I'm leaving all the, like the oil pan, timing cover, rear main cover, valley cover. I'm going to leave all them aluminum. We got the -10 turbo drain welded on the cover. As I was saying, we got the -10 drain. I think it's Vibrant brand or something. Has a real short aluminum bung, weld on bung. So Richard was able to get that thing welded. I'll show you the pictures in this video how we got it on. But this, with, I think it's a JIC 45 or a 90 degree, will clear this dampener. So I'm good to go. I've got a good drain. There's no restriction, but you know, because right behind that part of this cover is the lower bolt for your oil pump. So you can't have any fitting that protrudes through the cover because the oil pump's right behind there. You have to have a fitting that welds to the outside of the cover. Then it dumps in and around that lower bolt for the oil pan, or sorry, oil pump. Well, anyway, that's the 4.8. That's going to be my turbo engine. I've got everything done with the short block. Just got to get those stupid heads done and get them things on so we can drop it back in the blazer. Anyway, if you guys have any questions or comments, please hit them up. Like, subscribe, and share.